Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started, good luck. What is a drawback of relying on Amazon VPC Lattice for content delivery networks? Limited control over caching mechanisms in the network. Incompatibility with CDN services. Limited geographic coverage for CDN nodes. Potential increase in data transfer costs for large CDN traffic. A drawback of relying on Amazon VPC Lattice for content delivery networks is the potential increase in data transfer costs for large CDN traffic, which may impact the cost-effectiveness of using the Lattice network. What is a key advantage of using Amazon VPC Lattice for network architecture design? Faster data processing speeds in Kinesis data streams. Increased fault tolerance for EC2 instances. Improved network resilience through automated failover mechanisms. Centralized log management for CloudWatch logs. Amazon VPC Lattice offers improved network resilience through automated failover mechanisms, ensuring that the network architecture can adapt to changes and maintain continuity in service delivery. What is the benefit of using Amazon VPC Lattice in a VPC environment? Improved network performance. Reduced data transfer fees. Lower instance cost. Higher storage capacity. Using Amazon VPC Lattice in a VPC environment provides improved network performance by establishing a mesh network architecture for better traffic flow. What does Amazon VPC Lattice rely on to function effectively? Gateway VPC endpoints. CloudFront distributions. Elastic network interfaces. Direct connect gateways. Amazon VPC Lattice relies on elastic network interfaces for efficient communication and traffic flow between instances within the VPC. What is a key security consideration when using Amazon VPC Lattice for financial applications? Enforcing data sharing between financial services. Allowing public access to financial databases. Reducing compliance audits for financial transactions. Implementing end-to-end encryption for sensitive data. A key security consideration when using Amazon VPC Lattice for financial applications is implementing end-to-end encryption for sensitive data, ensuring that financial transactions and data are securely encrypted within the VPC. What is the main benefit of using Amazon VPC Lattice? High availability. Improved network security. Increased write throughput. Reduced storage costs. The main benefit of using Amazon VPC Lattice is improved network security by providing additional layers of control and segmentation within the VPC. What is a key advantage of using Amazon VPC Lattice for high-performance computing workloads? Increased storage capacity for large datasets. Optimized network traffic flow between compute resources. Automated load balancing of compute resources. Enhanced data encryption for all storage. A key advantage of using Amazon VPC Lattice for high-performance computing workloads is the optimized network traffic flow between compute resources, enabling efficient communication and data transfer within the VPC. What is the key benefit of using Amazon VPC Lattice? Increased fault tolerance in EC2 instances. Higher durability for EBS volumes. Reduced complexity and greater flexibility in VPC design. Faster processing speeds in Lambda functions. The main benefit of Amazon VPC Lattice is the reduced complexity and increased flexibility in designing VPCs, making it easier to visualize and configure network components. What is a disadvantage of relying solely on Amazon VPC Lattice for network security? Complexity in network management and troubleshooting. High data transfer costs. Incompatibility with certain AWS services. Limited connectivity options. A disadvantage of relying solely on Amazon VPC Lattice for network security is the complexity in network management and troubleshooting that may arise, requiring additional expertise and oversight. What is a key benefit of using Amazon VPC Lattice for inter-VPC communication? Enhanced network predictability. Slower data transfer speeds. Limited access control. Reduced DNS resolution. A key benefit of using Amazon VPC Lattice for inter-VPC communication is enhanced network predictability through the establishment of direct communication paths. What is the primary purpose of using a VPC Lattice over traditional VPC configurations? Lower storage costs. Enhanced security and control over network traffic. Faster data transfer speeds. Simplified network management. The primary purpose of using a VPC Lattice over traditional VPC configurations is to achieve enhanced security and control over network traffic, providing more granular control and isolation within the VPC. What feature of Amazon VPC Lattice enhances network performance monitoring? Dynamic allocation of IP addresses. Predictive load balancing for EC2 instances. Customized error message handling. Real-time network traffic analysis. Amazon VPC Lattice offers real-time network traffic analysis as a feature to enhance network performance monitoring, allowing users to monitor and analyze the flow of data within their VPC architecture for optimization and troubleshooting purposes. What is a key feature of Amazon VPC Lattice for managing VPC resources? Dependency tracking for automatic resource updates. Automated scaling of DynamoDB tables. Scheduled snapshots for RDS databases. Real-time monitoring of Lambda function invocations. Amazon VPC Lattice includes dependency tracking as a key feature for managing VPC resources, allowing for automatic updates and adjustments based on changes to interconnected components within the network. What is a primary use case for Amazon VPC Lattice in big data processing environments? Segmenting data workflows for processing tasks. Allowing public access to data warehouse resources. Increasing database read throughput. Automatically backing up data lakes. One primary use case for Amazon VPC Lattice in big data processing environments is segmenting data workflows for processing tasks, enabling efficient and controlled communication between data processing resources within the VPC. What is an advantage of Amazon VPC Lattice for e-commerce platform deployments? Improved network isolation for payment processing systems. Higher CPU performance for product catalogs. Automatic load balancing of shopping cart traffic. Unlimited storage capacity for customer data. An advantage of Amazon VPC Lattice for e-commerce platform deployments is improved network isolation for payment processing systems, offering enhanced security and isolation for sensitive transaction data within the VPC. What is a benefit of using Amazon VPC Lattice for containerized workloads? Higher CPU performance. Automatic load balancing. Improved storage durability. Enhanced network segmentation for different containers. Using Amazon VPC Lattice for containerized workloads provides enhanced network segmentation for different containers, allowing for isolation and controlled communication within the VPC. What aspect of Amazon VPC Lattice enhances security in VPC design? Continuous network vulnerability scanning. Automated deletion of unused security groups. Integration with AWS Secrets Manager for encryption key management. Prioritization of public subnet configurations. Amazon VPC Lattice enhances security in VPC design by integrating with AWS Secrets Manager for secure encryption key management, ensuring that sensitive data is protected within the network environment. What is a limitation of relying solely on Amazon VPC Lattice for web hosting services? Incompatibility with common CMS platforms. Less control over data backup policies. Potential increase in response times due to network traffic routing. Lower storage capacity for web content. A limitation of relying solely on Amazon VPC Lattice for web hosting services is the potential increase in response times due to network traffic routing and potential bottlenecks, which may impact the overall performance of the web hosting services. What is a benefit of using Amazon VPC Lattice to visualize network components? Faster data processing in S3 buckets. Centralized encryption management for RDS instances. Improved understanding of resource dependencies. Automated backup and restore of EBS volumes. Amazon VPC Lattice helps users gain an improved understanding of resource dependencies within their VPC by visualizing network components and their connections, enabling better network management and optimization. What is the benefit of using Amazon VPC Lattice for network visualization? Automated failover for RDS clusters. Optimized caching for CloudFront distributions. Enhanced memory management in EC2 instances. Modeling of inter-VPC network flows. Using Amazon VPC Lattice for network visualization allows for the modeling of inter-VPC network flows, providing insights into the data transfer and communication patterns between different VPCs within the AWS environment. What feature of Amazon VPC Lattice enhances network diagram customization? Support for layer-based diagram overlays. Exclusive use of predefined network shapes. Mandatory compliance checks for CloudFormation templates. Integration with third-party billing platforms. Amazon VPC Lattice provides support for layer-based diagram overlays to enhance network diagram customization, allowing users to overlay additional information and visual elements on top of the network diagrams for detailed representations of the VPC layout. What impact does Amazon VPC Lattice have on network traffic across VPC instances? It streamlines traffic flow. It increases latency spikes. It blocks non-essential data transfers. It restricts inter-instance communication. Amazon VPC Lattice streamlines network traffic across VPC instances by providing direct communication paths within the mesh network for efficient data transfer. What is a potential drawback of utilizing Amazon VPC Lattice for VPC configurations? Higher storage latency. Fixed security policies. Limited instance compatibility. Increased network overhead. A potential drawback of utilizing Amazon VPC Lattice for VPC configurations is the increased network overhead that may be required to maintain the mesh network architecture. What is a use case for Amazon VPC Lattice in network security management? Optimizing query performance in Amazon Redshift. Enforcing network access control policies. Monitoring CPU usage in Lambda functions. Automating data replication for DynamoDB tables. Amazon VPC Lattice can be utilized in network security management to enforce network access control policies, ensuring that only authorized entities have the necessary permissions to interact with the VPC resources. What is a disadvantage of relying on Amazon VPC Lattice for machine learning model deployments? Incompatibility with model prediction APIs. Resource contention and performance impact. Limited storage capacity for model checkpoints. Reduce storage costs for model training data. A disadvantage of relying on Amazon VPC Lattice for machine learning model deployments is the potential for resource contention and performance impact, which may affect the real-time prediction capabilities and training performance of the machine learning models. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.